right, y'all. So I'm sorry, y'all. I'm a little hoarse. I have been really pushing out these reviews. Yes, disregard if I sound a little hoarse, y'all. But hey, queens, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm giving you guys another wig review. Now, this wig review is for my budget sisters like myself. There are some styles that we love to try, but sometimes they just a little expensive, or how I say, they're a little expensive. Like, they're a little expensive. They're a little bougie, okay? And one of those styles is the goddess locks or the wavy faux lock wig that I am wearing right now. Now, there's some really popular ones that are out, but of course, they're on the more expensive side. So my goal is to always create the style and give you guys the options of styles that we like, more affordable options. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys to all of you who have been supporting my channel. Y'all have really been showing up and showing out. I'll be having my next wig sale on August the 10th. Girl, y'all know I'll be out of breath. I will be having my next wig sale on August the 10th. That is next Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, these units will be first come, first serve. They will be super affordable because I do bring brown. Teneshia. I do bring down the price of a lot of these units. Make sure you guys keep your eye out. On Sunday, I will post a link in the community tab of the preview of all the wigs that I'll have available. They will be marked as sold and then marked as available on the day and time of the wig sale, which is August the 10th, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the unit that I'm wearing right now is brought to you by none other than Samsbeauty.com. Big shout out to Samsbeauty for really appreciating and believing in my channel. They do send me products to review and show you guys, and I really appreciate it. Thank you, LaShonda, and all of you at Samsbeauty.com for really supporting my channel. It means a lot. You guys know I went through a big move, and they have been really patient with me getting out these videos, and honestly, that is really appreciative because some people just don't be caring. They be like, give me the video, sis. I don't care if your cat died, you moved, your grandma wig is having surgery, your grandma having surgery, your kneecap fell out. Give me the video, sis. So they have been super patient, and I really appreciate it, guys. And this unit I actually made myself, y'all. Yes, it was super easy, and I'm going to show you how you could do it as well. So the hair that I used is the authentic U-Lock faux lock dread. It is a wavy dreadlock, and it is 18 inches long. I have it in the color 1B. So this is the stock card. I will insert clips so you guys can see. So basically what I did is I really wanted this faux lock, you know, wig, but honestly the one that I was looking at, it was super expensive. It was like $60, $70. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm always fidgeting with my hair while I'm talking to y'all. It was expensive, girl. I think the cheapest one I've seen is maybe like $40 or $50, but girl, I can get 5 wigs with that if you shop at the right place. Samsbeauty, you can get a lot of wigs with that money. So I decided to use this hair and create the look that I wanted. And you guys, I know when you hear, oh, I gotta make a wig, it's like, that is so difficult. But when I tell y'all, it literally took me 1 hour, if that. Now, what I did was I got a regular, schmegular, degular crochet cap from my local beauty supply store. I do think that Samsbeauty might carry this type of cap also on their website, so you might be able to get it when you get your hair. But that is the cap that I use. It's just a regular net cap. So what I did is I started off crocheting the cap. Now when I crocheted the cap, I made sure that the spaces were spread out. You don't want to put your crochets too close together because if so, your hair is going to be super bulky and super heavy. Now you might be the type of person you like your braided wigs and dread wigs and stuff like that to be super bulky. I'm not that girl, okay? I don't want all that. I want it to be to where it's covering my scalp. You can't tell that it's a wig, and it's a lightweight. Like, it's not going to be super heavy and uncomfortable on me because, honey, I catch headaches fast, and girl, I ain't got time. So I went ahead and spaced out my faux locks. I made sure that I actually used 6 packs, but I did not finish, so I would say like 5.5 packs, and that is what I used to go around the net. Now along the elastic band, what I did do is I took a little piece of the band and put my crochet hook in, and I did crochet a few on the perimeter of the band. You do not have to do that because honestly my hair was covering the band anyway. I just wanted to be extra girl and I just did all that, but you don't have to do that. From there, what I did was apply my wig, and I do have my hair braided down because that is how I prepare it and keep it moisturized and stuff while I am filming and things like that. So what I did was I took the excess faux locks that I had and I put one faux lock on each of my braids. I crocheted one faux lock at the front of each of my braids. From there, what I did was I took my wig, I put my wig on, I flipped my hair back over the wig elastic band, and this is what you have. This is what you have. It was that easy, you guys. Now the hair jewelry that I'm using these little clasps. These red ones kind of matches my lipstick. You see what I did there? And I'm using these spirals right here, which are also bendable. And I just bended them to match the wave of the faux lock. And I also have a golden hoop up here at the front. And that was absolutely it, you guys. This is a great dupe for Sensational Goddess Lock. That wig is on the more expensive side. Now, if you want to just go ahead and get that, that's perfectly fine, girl. Do what you want to do. But me, I like to switch it up and I like to save my coins because for that one wig, I can get about 3, 4, maybe 5, okay? Maybe you can throw in a pair of lashes. So this is my option, guys. This is what I decided to create with this unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you will feel confident enough to try this out. And you can do this with any type of crochet style. It does not have to be faux locks. You can do it for Senegalese braids, whatever, guys. Just follow the same steps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate your support as always. And I will see you guys in my next wig review. See you later. Bye.